So in this video I'm going to show you how to make $500 per day or more with affiliate marketing using ClickBank and Google Ads. Now why I'm choosing Google Ads? The simple reason. If you don't know yet, if you're a newbie and you wonder why should I use Google Ads, the answer is simple. You're looking for buyers, right? You are looking to make affiliate money, affiliate commissions, right? Or make new qualified leads to buy your programs. So the answer why Google Ads are the best Google PPC, Google pay-per-click or Google search ads is because of buyer's intent. Now what is buyer's intent? It's simply people looking for something to buy. If I'm on Facebook, I'm not looking for something to buy, right? If I'm on YouTube, I'm sometimes looking for some YouTube videos or music, right? I'm not specifically looking for solutions yet. I'm on Facebook, I'm looking to talk to my friends on Messenger. On Instagram, the same thing. That's why it's called social media, right? Yet you can still run ads, right? Correct. But if you want to make quick money, if you want to make, let's say, real world results, then I suggest you to choose something like Google Ads because buyer's intent is really high. For example, if I go to Google, right, and type in, let's say, how can I get rid of my toothache or back pain, or how can I lose my weight before the summer arrives, right? See, I'm looking for the solution. And if your ad appears there, of course I'm going to click on it. But the main thing is, let's keep the main thing, which is basically relevance. Your ad has to be relevant enough. Yeah, you can try to trick me by putting the headline, which is going to invoke my curiosity, right? To be curious about knowing what you're selling or promoting, right? Or writing in your blog post. But if on that another page, on the landing page, I don't find it relevant enough, right? For my solutions, for my problems, basically, then of course you're going to waste your money and time. So it's important to be relevant enough. Now, how to do it? How to create your first Google Ads? Let me show you here. We are in the Google Ad campaign right now. You see? New campaign, so fresh. Now, what is your campaign objective? What is the goal of the campaign, right? Leads, traffic, what? Sales. So I choose sales, right? Drive sales online. You click on sales and then you scroll down and you have the option over here. You can see select the ways you'd like to reach your goal. Website visit, phone calls, store visit, apps, downloads, right? So you can do, for example, websites visits, and you can put your website name, or you can simply go to the next step, right? So you can just continue, scroll down, you choose the campaign name, and let's say the campaign name is sales. So this is campaign name sales 1, right? And then click continue. Now bidding, right? It's really important. What do you want to focus on? Clicks. Of course, everyone is looking to get cheap clicks on Google, right? But you can see over here, you can do conversions, right? And then set up the tracking. Now you can choose the bidding for clicks, and I choose set a maximum cost per click bid. Let's say €1, 1.5 euro, right? You do like that. So 1.5 euro, or let's say $2 or $1.5, right? Whatever your currency is in your country. So use that. And then, right, you can maximize the campaign by having the higher bid. Now it depends what kind of offer you're promoting. Let me show you an example over here. Let's go to ClickBank. You see, there is one offer over here. It's called Lost Books of Remedies.
Hi, I'm Dr. Nicole Appelian.
So this is the VSL, right? This is not the landing page. This is the VSL from ClickBank. Now you can embed that VSL in your blog post. You can use different lenders, techniques that I'm showing to my clients and students, right? But it's really important to understand that when you're using Google Ads, I suggest you to put minimum $1.5 or minimum $1 bidding cost per click, right? It's not always about the cheapest clicks, right? It's about highest quality clicks. Remember, behind those clicks is a real human being clicking on the mouse, on the cursor, right? Opening your ad. So if you have someone who is really willing to spend money to buy the product, right? To get the solutions to the problem, we call them impulse buyers, right? Impulse buy is under $100. So if you're promoting anything under $100, like $50 to $100, it's really simple to get the sales if you know what you're doing and if you have someone to guide you through step by step. So what I do after that is I would get a landing page, connect it with my Google Ads. I would choose my keywords over here, right? Keywords and ads, for example. Now here in the campaign settings, I would exclude display network. I only want search network. And then I will choose the countries and territories, right? And after that, for example, I would choose the languages, audiences, right? You can do many different things here. So audience segments, you can do broad search, you can do exact match. So it really depends what you're looking for to achieve. Now, if you want to know how to turn, I don't know, for example, $50 in a day into $200 or $300 per day, then what you can do is subscribe to my channel, and after watching this video, click the links below this video and you can connect with me and get basically one-on-one mentorship and coaching, basically support, which is done together with you, right? I believe in personal support, one-on-one. So if you're serious and if you want to get results, just click the links below this video, reach out to me personally and we can speak. And then another thing over here with Google Ads is targeting, right? For example, you can choose, let's say we want to get, let's say we are doing for weight loss, right? You type in weight loss. This is broad, so let me show you over here. You see over here we have in-market segments, we have in-market segments, so you have different segments, right? Like we don't have to narrow it all the time, but it does depend like who is your market, right? Demographics, you can choose by that. You can choose marital status, right? Single, in a relationship, married, and what is their employment, right? Or industry. And that's why how you can narrow down your niche market and then get better results because of that. So again, thank you for watching this video. I hope you get some value out of it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And links are below this video if you want to get personal mentorship and support. Again, thank you for watching.